In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Binance NFT marketplace. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, navigating the world of NFTs on Binance can open up exciting opportunities for collectors and investors alike. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Binance account. It's important to ensure that your account is fully set up and secure before you dive into trading or purchasing NFTs. Make sure you have enabled necessary security measures like two-factor authentication for added protection of your assets. Once you're logged in, you'll need to find the NFT marketplace. Tap on the More option in the menu, then scroll down until you reach the Trade section. Here you'll find a multitude of trading options, but for today, our focus will be the NFT marketplace. It's designed to be user-friendly, making it easier for you to explore what it has to offer. Now that you've entered the NFT space, you can browse or search for specific NFTs. If you're searching for a particular artist, collection, or type of NFT, utilize the search bar for direct access. Browsing can also be a great way to discover new and intriguing pieces you might not have known about otherwise. The variety will amaze you, so take your time exploring. Should you find an NFT that catches your eye, you have two main options to acquire it. If it's available for immediate sale, you can buy it directly. This is the simplest way, as it involves a straightforward transaction at the listed price. However, if you're strategic and looking for a potentially better deal, you might want to place a bid in an auction. Auctions can be exhilarating as you test both your intuition and patience to secure NFTs at competitive prices. If you're interested in selling your NFTs, Binance has made it easy. Navigate to the My NFTs tab where you'll have the option to list or deposit your NFTs for sale. It's a straightforward process, just follow the prompts to ensure your NFT is showcased in the best possible way to attract potential buyers. Lastly, managing your NFTs and transactions is crucial to staying organized and in control. From your profile, you can track your transactions, view your holdings, and make adjustments as needed. Keeping a regular check ensures that you're on top of your trading activity and can make informed decisions for future trades. And there you have it, a simple guide to using the Binance NFT marketplace. With these steps, you can start buying, selling, and managing NFTs with confidence. Remember to always stay updated on market trends and continue learning as the NFT space is ever evolving. Thank you for tuning in and happy trading.